Hi, I'm Julie. Here at the Baby Cubby, we offer a variety of services to help parents, and one of the services that we provide is helping you make a baby registry with us. In this video, we'll show you how to create a baby registry in our store or online, along with helpful tips for creating the perfect registry for you. So let's get started. To begin, make sure you have created an account with us online. This will make it easy to access your registry later on. To do so, click the account icon on the top right-hand side of your screen, then click Create an Account. Fill out your information and you're all set to go. We will begin today by showing you how to create your registry online. Once you have logged into your account on our website, click Registry, then Create a Registry. This will redirect you to a page where you will fill out your registry, contact, and shipping information. You can even add a personal image and message for those who will view it later on. Once you have filled out your information, click Create a Registry. Then you will be all set to start adding products. You can add a product by clicking the Add to Registry button on the listings page. To share your registry, head to the top of the page and click Share. This will give you a link you can share with others. Now let's move on to creating a registry in our store. We recommend this method because you will have the assistance of a cubby mom who can help you get exactly what you need. To begin, make sure to call the store and make an appointment. This is not required but recommended. When you arrive at your appointment, you will be assisted by a cubby mom. She will give you a scanner to go around the store and select the items you would like to add to your registry. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Once you finish scanning, the cubby mom will take you to the register where you will fill out registry, contact, and shipping information. Then you're all set. You will be able to access your registry online through your account. Just like before, you can manage your registry and share it with others, all from our website. Now here are some tips for creating a registry. When adding clothing, make sure to add larger sizes, not just newborn. Be sure to add everything you wish to have. By having a variety of items to choose from, it'll make your friends and family really grateful to have a lot of options. If you're a first-time mom, ask others what they put on their registries. And finally, take your time. You don't have to finish your registry all in one sitting. Think about what you want and you can always add it later on. That wraps up creating a baby registry here at the Baby Cubby. Remember, you can shop in-store or online at babycubby.com, and we offer price matching and free shipping on orders $25 or more. To see another one of our videos, you can check out our YouTube channel and let us know what else you guys want to see. See you next time.